since you've become a freshly minted author, I thought, why not to do something with the books?
Sure, let's do it.
Yeah. So we have 2 books on the table. I want you to pick any one book and give it to me. Okay, wonderful. So this is the book that you want to play with, right?
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. Devina, before we actually begin, I want to take this book in the hand and I want you to turn this book into a random page and select or choose a random word out of these 50,000 words.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Make sure कि वो letter, वो जो शब्द हो, वो 5-6 letters का ना हो, लंबे से लंबा जितना बड़ा शब्द हो, जितना challenging हो, उतना बेहतर.
Okay.
Right? Just do it. Have a look at it.
Okay. Any random page out of your own choice. Just stop there and select any one word which is bigger, probably 7-8 letters, 8-9 letters. Yeah. Okay. I found one.
Okay. And just close it. And you can keep the book down.
All right.
So you're thinking of the word.
Yeah.
Right. Keep the word in your mind. And Devina, I want you to come back to the first letter of that word. Like only think of the first letter of that whole word that you're thinking. I hope you're thinking of the big word. Okay. I want you to run your mind through all the alphabets of the letter of the word that you're thinking.
Okay.
Are you doing that? Like spell it out loud in your mind. Don't tell it to me.
Okay.
Okay? You're doing that. I want you to imagine this word as if you are in this scenario.
Got it.
And in that whole scenario, whatever that word depicts, and I am getting a chilly and cold kind of a vibe from you. Are you on a hill station?
Okay. Yeah, probably.
Okay, I know what you're thinking. Okay, the word that you're thinking has a break in it. Probably it's made up of 2 words.
Yeah.
The whole word. Yeah? Okay, and think of the last letter of the word. Are you thinking of E?
Yes.
Okay, I hope I know what you're thinking. And I've already written something down on the paper. Okay?
Okay.
And I'm not gonna change this. I cannot change this anymore. And I'm gonna show it to the camera, not to you.
Okay.
So I think this is what she's thinking of. Okay? Now, Devina, I want you to say the word out loud. It's already been shown to the camera. I cannot do anything. And there's no way in the world I can ever know what are you thinking of. But I've tried my best.
Snowflake.
Oh!
Oh my god. Okay, wow.
Thank you.
Just,
wow. So, yeah. How do you do this? Thank you.
That really was awesome.
Thank you.
ऑलराइट दोस्तों, अगर आपको ऐसी मैजिक वीडियोस देखकर एंटरटेन होना है तो सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. ऑल्सो प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन सो दैट यू गेट नोटिफाइड अबाउट एवरी मैजिकल अपडेट. एंड ऑल्सो अगर आप मैजिक सीखने में इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक को क्लिक कीजिए एंड मैजिक कोर्स एक्सेस कीजिए. एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. I'll see you again on every Thursday and Saturday 7 p.m.